Gusto mo bang maging isang pollution control officer or PCO? Kailangan tayo ay tumatalima sa applicable guideline. Ito ang Department Administrative Order 2014 number 02 for the revised guidelines for pollution control officer accreditation. Nakasulat kasi sa section 3 ng DAO 2014-02 kung ano ang sakop ng department order na to sa pagkakaroon ng pollution control officer. Isa dyan kung ang atin pong mga establishment or facility, whether private, government, or government-owned and control corporation or local government unit, or yung ating services or product ay pwedeng maging actual source of land, water, and air pollution. Kailangan mayroong isang accredited pollution control officer dito sa facility or establishment na ito. Sa Section 7 ng DAO 2014-02 na kasaad po ang pagkakaroon ng kahit isang pollution control officer sa isang establishment. At hindi rin pinapayagan na humawak ng iba't ibang establishment ang isang pollution control officer maliban na approve ito as a cluster ng EMB Central Office. Sa Section 8 ng DAO 2014-02, kailangan magpa-accredit ang isang duly appointed or designated pollution control officer ng isang establishment or facility at mag-submit ng pertinent and necessary documents para sa kanyang accreditation. Tatlong basic requirements na kailangan dito. Una, ang Certificate of PCO Training and Certificate of Managing Head Training. Pangalawa, ang appointment or designation letter from the managing head sa isang pollution control officer. At pangatlo, ang affidavit of joint undertaking between the pollution control officer and the managing head. Marami pang mga documents na ipinapasa, lalo ng mga personal documents like resume or curriculum vitae, transcript of records or diploma, at ganoon din ang certificate of employment. Sa nakasaad sa DAO 2014-02, kailangan mag-perform ng function ng isang pollution control officer base sa Section 10 or the duties and responsibilities of an accredited pollution control officer. Kailangan mag-perform ng kanyang function kapag nagkaroon na ng accreditation from DENR, Environmental Management Bureau, Regional Office. Yun lamang po, that's the legal reference for the pollution control officers, the Department Order 2014-02 or the revised guidelines for pollution control officer accreditation. Thank you for watching this video. I am Engineer Jeric Picasso. Thank you for listening.